What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at this iWalk fast charge. We are actually going to be recording on a completely different camera. The quality might not be as good as my Pixel 7, but it's going to make recording much easier. I actually have I'm not going to show you, but I have a monitor that's allowing me to see what I'm looking at, so I'm hoping this works. I actually don't have the email for this anymore. I think they emailed me and I thought they were done emailing me, but I still somehow got it. So if you guys are watching this, the company that sent me out, thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I'm going to assume your company is iWalk. I could be wrong. But this is a fast charger for the iPhone 15. It is Type-C since the iPhone 15 has Type-C. And if you're curious, I am actually using a microphone that is clipped to my shirt. It plugs right into the camera, so I'm hoping it sounds good. I already tested all this, and it seemed to work just fine. So let's hope it sounds good on your guys' end. I'm hoping this will make my content a little bit more, official. But let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Tape just does not want to cut. We'll just pull it off. Oh, you're supposed to peel it, that's why. That's okay. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. Got a little piece of plastic that's covering it here. And then this is the charger itself. Wow, this thing is beefy. So basically what it does is it just sits on the bottom of your phone and then charges it. I do have my Pixel, which thankfully I'm recording with this. This looks to be a charger. This is actually a really nice cable. You can see it's got like little accents and stuff. It seems like a decent cable. So this is the charger itself. This is how you charge it right here. You've got the Type-C port. Not sure what that is, but if we pull this off, as you can see, we've got the Type-C charger. This tells you how much charge it has, this little button on the side. That's pretty cool. It's at 26, probably needs to be charged up. But let's go ahead and just plug it into my phone and see if it works. So this is the charger itself. Let's go ahead and, I don't know if my OtterBox is going to get in the way, but let's hope it doesn't. So if we well, I plugged it in, and as you can see, it's a little big. But I mean, if you're just using your phone or just to keep it charged, this would be like something you'd bring with you. If just to keep it charged, this would work just fine. There would be no issues with this. It's actually not as heavy as you'd think. Like I can hold my phone without an issue. It seems to be charging it. As you can see, we're at 91%. We're charging it. We're at 90% actually. Now we're going down. This might not, it's supposed to fast charge it. Okay, it is charging now. Okay, yep, it's charging. It just took a minute. So as you can see, we're at 91%. We're charging rapidly. We're 24 minutes until full. So I'm not going to sit here and wait, but it is charging. So, I mean, that's the iWalk fast charge. So we've got a little card here. Innovative Smart Accessory brand. They do make a bunch of accessories. You could probably get like a pink one if you like pink. I'll put their link in the description below. I got to find them first because, like I said, the email I don't have anymore. I looked through my emails and I could not find the email for this. I think I deleted it thinking they weren't going to reply, and it just took forever to get here. So we also have a welcome guide. You have the USB-C male, power button, USB, and then fast charge indicator light. We are still charging. We have not hit 92% yet. It's called the LinkPodP. Fast charge LinkPodP. If you guys are curious, this is the black color. We could actually look up these. Okay, so it's about 35 bucks on Amazon for the one I have, I believe. How many milliamps is this? 4,800. So yeah, it's this one right here. So yeah, that's about right. It's a lot thicker than it looks in the video. By the way, we're charging and I'm still using. I'm at 92% now, but yeah, no, you can get white. They do have pink. I was correct. I'll put each color in the description because I'll get supported if you guys buy it through my links. So, but yeah, this is the iWalk portable charger, 4,800 milliamp hour, 20 watt USB-C power bank, small fast charging, docking, battery pack with LED, compatible with iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's supposed to be for iPhones, but obviously my Pixel's a Type-C, so it doesn't really matter. But as you can see, it is charging. We're at 92%. It is getting there. This is the iWalk LinkPodP fast charge. It's supposed to fast charge it, and then it's got this little indicator here. I wouldn't recommend using an OtterBox. If you're on an iPhone, you're more than likely not using an OtterBox. I rarely ever see people use that. But yeah, 92%. We are charging, and as you can see, it was at 22, and we went down to 21. So that is the that is the iWalk fast charge LinkPodP. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy this video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy this new setup, I'm hoping the microphone sounds good. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to re-record this video with my phone. But I'm hoping this all works out. If it doesn't work out, you guys probably won't see this video for a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys want a link to these wallpapers, let me know in the comments below. I'll just throw them in the description. If you guys, I'll share it's a Google Drive folder. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.